If you are wondering how to see who viewed your Facebook profile but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can see who viewed your profile on Facebook by following this step. So watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First, open your Facebook app and log in if not done yet. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the profile picture in the top left corner to go to your profile. Next, to edit profile, tap the three dots under your profile to access profile settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap Turn on Professional Mode. Here, after reading through all the details, tap Turn on. Once activated, go back to your profile page. On your profile, tap Professional Dashboard. In the Professional Dashboard, you'll find multiple options. From there, tap on Insights. Then on the Performance section, tap on See All. Now, scroll down and you'll find the option Audience. For now, we don't have any data for this, but for you, this is where you'll find the profile views and number of people who visited. And that's it for this video on how you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.